In today's video, I want to show you a little workaround and a little trick on how to sync different playbacks together, also via the fader or via the buttons. The only restriction I have here is that if you do it on a PC, your magicq PC needs to be fully unlocked. If you are on a console, it works, of course, because I make the trick using MIDI. So on the PC, I will use the Loop MIDI app, but probably you're going to have another one, to receive and retransmit MIDI data back to magicq. On the console, you will have to take a MIDI cable and plug it into the in and to the out port of the console, or on a splitter if you need to retransfer MIDI data to other applications or other softwares. So in magicq natively, I have the options of my cue stack in advanced, sync next playback to this one, yes. So if I activate my playback 5 and my playback 6, now every time I press go, I will make a go also on playback 6. But I have no control of both faders together. So if I want to link these two faders now, I will go to patch, choose head generic, and I will patch an MQ MIDI head. Here I already patched one. So now I'm going to select my MQ MIDI fixture. First I'm going to set it to a status. Let's see, up status. Can I do this? I'm going to set it to note on channel 1, and then I'm going to give it a note, whatever you want. This I'm going to record it to my cue store here and set it as my default cue. So by default, my MIDI fixture will transmit a note on channel 1 on the node A0. Now I'm going to select this again, and I'm just going to use the data to velocity data, which I will set to 127. And I will make a record merge with my playback 5 into my entire cue stack. Now I can clear this, and I will go now into macro, view automation, and go insert automation, set an automation to MIDI. Now I will set my MIDI learn to on, activate my playback 1, so it learned that I used this node. And then as a function, I will set it to playback activate or release level, or just playback level of playback number 6. What I have to do also is in my playback 5, I will set fader control LTP channels yes. So if I activate now my playback 5 and raise my fader, it will automatically also raise the fader at the same level on playback 6. So here and here. Yeah, so I can make a go on both, and I can also control the fader of my playback number 6 just with my playback number 5. Again, this is a little trick, this is a workaround. It works only when magicq is fully unlocked. If you find it helpful for your programming, I'm happy. See you next time.